Let's look at example 2. It says find the unknown in 2 times 4/5. Estimate. 2 times 1. Well, 4/5 is close to 1, so if you think 2 times 1 is 2, our answer is going to be close to 2. So let's look at the problem. 2 times 4/5 is the same as 2 over 1 times 4/5. So we would multiply 2 times 4 and 1 times 5. Or eight fifths, because 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 times 5 is 5. To change this improper fraction to a mixed number, we would divide, since our fraction line is the same as a division sign. 8 divided by 5 is 1 and 3/5. So 2 times 4/5 is 8/5, or 1 and 3/5. And in checking, we know that 1 and 3/5 is close to 2. Okay, let's do guided practice together, and we're going to do problems 1 through 4 together. Let's look at number 1. 1/2 times 4 equals 1/2 times 4 over 1. And we're going to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. We have an improper fraction, and we want to change it, or simplify it. So using this fraction line as a division sign, we think 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1/2 times 4 is 2. Okay, go to page 727 and look at number 2. And notice our directions say write in simplest form. So we're going to cancel if we can. So let's look at problem 2. 1/2 times 12. And 1/3 times 12. So we're going to write that 1/3 times 12 over 1. And we know we can cancel 3 and 12 because 3 is a common factor of 3 and 12. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now our problem is 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. We have an improper fraction. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So our answer is 4. Let's look at problem 3. Our problem is 1/4 times 20. So we can write it as 1/4 times 20 over 1. And we can cancel because 4 is a factor of both 4 and 20. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. Let's multiply. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 1. And again, we can change this improper fraction to a whole number by dividing. 5 divided by 1 is 5, so our answer is 5. Let's look at problem 4. 5/6 times 18. Let's rewrite that. 5/6 times 18 over 1. And we can cancel because 6 is a factor of 18. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And let's multiply. 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 times 1 is 1. And now let's change our improper fraction. 15 divided by 1 is 15, and our answer is 15. You can re-watch the video over and over until you get all of these done. And then you're going to do these 3 rows on your own, making sure that you write your whole numbers as fractions by putting each one of these over 1. And then cancel if you can. You cannot cancel on all of these. Let's talk about which ones will cancel. Number 8 will cancel. Number 9 will cancel. Number 10 will cancel. Number 12 will cancel. And number 13 will cancel. If I didn't circle the numbers, that means they will not cancel.